DoorDash drivers are now getting guaranteed pay. This is huge. I'm going to leave a link below so you can opt into that guaranteed pay. And now let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am so happy you're here and I'm so excited to tell you guys about a new guaranteed pay feature that drivers get. Obviously, we all have those days where if it's a little slow and not busy, we feel like it's a waste of time. But now you can earn up to $39 with guaranteed pay. So it comes in the form of a new gig working app called Solo, and with our link down below, you get $10 just for signing up and linking your gig account. And it's free anywhere in the country. So the way that Solo works is you can sign up for shifts whenever you like, keep that flexible schedule, and they give you a guaranteed pay amount as long as you are driving for that app. They have some pretty big investors too, like the Rideshare Guy, and they just got $15 million in funding, so they're paying their drivers a lot of money. The average gig worker who uses Solo also earns about $5,000 more on average than a regular gig worker. So use our link down below to sign up for that guaranteed pay and start earning that money.